Hi, this is the third video in the series to help you work with pivot tables with Excel. In the previous ones, we selected data and we started working with one variable, age, and we recoded it. Here it appears in row levels. Now we're going to do frequency tables with one variable. The cross tabulations are also called. So let's go here and then choose some other variable. Let's see, for instance, sex. If we put sex in columns, what we'll have, it's a frequency table. We have age here, and then we have sex here, female, male, and then there's also unknown missing, which is another category, and we can just reset this to make it nicer. The nice thing about pivot tables is that you can just do amazing things with them. For instance, we could actually, we don't like this way, so we could actually invert the classification, and if we like it better. And if we don't want to have sex, and rather we have religion, for instance, we could have actually religion. Whatever we put in rows and columns, and realize that columns is here on this side, and rows are here, we're gonna have the frequency count. Why the frequency count? Because I'm asking Excel to do that. That's the default. So, but if we go here, we go to value field settings, we would, instead of see that we have the count that I want you to select, but also we can show values not only as summarized here, but as something else. Here it says no calculation, we have the frequencies, but if we change that to a percentage of grand total, we would get, let's see what we get. We would get the table total to 100 and the value in percentages that each particular cell has. In this case, Lutherans are the majority, that's why we only see here. So let's say instead of putting religion code, let's put something that would tell us something more. So let's take out religion, and let's put sex. So now you see each age range of a particular sex appears with a percentage here. In some cases, this is not going to be a particularly good representation of the data, so we may choose to show values not as a grand total, but for instance as column total. So we'll say that each column is total to 100, and we set the composition by sex, the under 5s, 5 to 10s, 10 to 15, and then we would be able to see all the composition by ages and see how we have more women when we go to the later ages because the males have died. Okay, so that's basically how a cross tabulation works.